This is the value today of $10,000 invested 20 years ago. If you invested $10,000 in Nvidia 20 years ago, today it would be worth $4,794,262. How about Apple? $3.6 million. Monster Beverage. If you invested $10,000 in Monster Beverage 20 years ago, today it would be worth $3.5 million. Booking.com, $1.4 million. Netflix, another $1.4 million. If you invested $10,000 in Salesforce 20 years ago, it would be worth $997,000. Google, surprisingly low on this list compared to the top ones. Your $10,000 would only be worth $811,000. Amazon, $764,000. Domino's Pizza is surprisingly high. If you put $10,000 into Domino's Pizza 20 years ago, today it would be worth $356,000. Adobe, $222,000. Costco, $191,000. If you put $10,000 into Microsoft 20 years ago, today it would be worth $152,000. Nike, $99,000. McDonald's, $98,000. Home Depot, $93,000. And Starbucks, $90,000. Some of these numbers are quite staggering, but before you start feeling too much FOMO, it's important to remember that hindsight is 20/20 and that hyper-speculative investments often fail. My financial advice is to invest in yourself and do it for the long term.